Hello guys, how are you? How are you, my little small YouTube family? Hope you are good. May Allah Almighty give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Today I brought for you very beautiful, very gorgeous, and trending mermaid braid styles. Mermaid braid is one of the latest, trendiest braiding hairstyles, sweeping the hairstyling landscape. It involves just uses the thin, small strands of hair, leaving the unplaited hair seeing through the spaces. There are different types of mermaid braids like unicorn braid, over the shoulder braid, fishtail braid, and many more. So, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel so that every upcoming gorgeous hairstyling video reach you to you. Let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.